Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about there is, there are in the present, so that's a reveal, and there was, there were in the past. Firstly, we use there is, there are to say that something exists. This is the focus here. There is a pen in my hands. There is a laptop right in front of me. There's a microphone over here. Things that exist. The most common mistake is to use the verb have. For example, have a car in the garage. That is incorrect. There is a car in the garage. Exists, there is, there are. Where something is. There is a good restaurant at the end of the street. So we use this to say where things are. There are some keys in that box. Plural form, there are. Singular form, there is. When something happens, so it's not only about physically the places, but also time. There is a concert tonight. This is about time. There are a lot of storms in summer. When something happens. These are the key words here. We use this to say when something happens. There is a show, there is a sport playing on TV, and so on and so forth. Continuing from here, it's important to mention the use of a, some, and any. A and an, the articles, as we've previously studied in the beginning of this playlist, I think class number 2 or 3, countable singulars. There is a person in the room. Singular form. Countable plural. There are some cars outside. Plural form. It's important to mention that we use some for affirmatives, and we use any for questions and negatives. For example, there aren't any cars outside. Negative. There isn't any milk in the jug. That is negative as well. Countables and uncountables. So some for affirmative and any for negatives and questions. Proceeding from here, singular, there is a new teacher, some examples. There are some problems that we need to solve. Plural form, problems, plural, are. Teacher, singular, is. Well, this table here covers the present and the past in more detail. Isn't, present. There isn't, is there, negatives, questions, short answers. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. For simple past, it's not so difficult. We have to adjust with was there, were there for questions. Consequently, short answers, yes, there was, no, there wasn't. For things in the past. So the verb to be in the past is was and were. And consequently, we use this not only with past continuous as we've studied, but also with there is, there were. There were people, there were a lot of people in the concert last night. In the past, there were. In the present, there are. If you have any comments or any questions, you can simply leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next lessons. Thank you.